Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video, we will show you how you can create this kind of HTML dashboard. We have created it for sales and revenue command center. In the comments, you people mentioned you need a complete tutorial how we can create the sales and revenue command center dashboard in HTML using the AI. So here we will show you the complete tutorial how you can do that, as well as I will share you the prompt of this dashboard also as free of cost with you in a Word file. First, let me show you, if you are watching first time this video, how you can use this HTML dashboard. So here you can see we have given a lot of functions. This first page is the overview page wherein we are showing the total revenue, deals, bin rate, pipeline value and some other information. We have given here some features also, like you can make it full screen from here and this will be visible as full screen. This is the dark mode or the light mode. You can toggle this, as well as you can export your data in the CSV, and you can reset the filters if you have applied any filter. Like we can apply the filter from here, you can just reset this, then the filter will be reset. You can upload the data from the Excel file. If you have some other Excel file wherein data is available, you can upload it directly so that this dashboard will be created on the basis of that data. The data should be in a predefined format only. It's not like you are uploading any formats. Okay, so that should be the predefined format. Then here we can go to the next page. Just click on this. So this is the revenue analysis page and we are seeing all the revenue related information, the comparison of the YTD and MTD and the some other metrics. Then sales and pipeline, here we have the pipeline value and the other things we can see here. Then here we have the team performance wherein we are showing the team related performance. Okay, and we are showing this beautiful table also here. The last one is the data view wherein we are showing the all data here, and you can just search this. For example, I want to see the mid market. I'll just type here mid market, then you can see the segment is the mid market. Okay, or you want to see the specific deal 1001, then we can see this is 1001 here, or that particular thing might be coming somewhere else. Okay, and then you can go to the how to use. Here we have explained everything how you can use this. We have given here the collapse and expand button also. You want to create more space on the dashboard page, so you can just collapse this and you can use these icons. Okay, so this dashboard is ready to use. You just need to fill your data in the Excel and you have to upload this. Now I will explain you how you can create this sales and revenue dashboard in HTML using the AI. So first let me show you the prompt. I have created a detailed prompt for this because we have to mention everything we have created in the 5 part. In the first part we are showing the project definition and the output required. So we need the one HTML file. Everything should be available there, such as CSS, JavaScript and all the charts, everything. Okay, so then we are putting here the part 2 wherein we are specifying the theme or the colors, so you can change this information as per your requirement. And then here we are taking the sample data schema also, what all our data we are taking here. So the same data you can ask to create in the Excel and you can upload that also. Okay, then here we are creating the metrics also, such as bin rate, pipeline value and some formulas we are providing here so that it will calculate what exactly you want to display on the chart. For this particular dashboard we have mentioned everything. Then the part 4 we are creating the tab by tab layout. So first tab we have the overview, then we are showing these cards and the charts, then the revenue analysis tab, then the sales pipeline, then the team performance. So these are all pages which we have created. Then we have the team view. And in the last we are explaining how to create the UI/UX for this dashboard, the sidebar navigation, then the all charts, and the drop down, everything we are explaining here, as well as this will be the mobile responsive also, you can use inside the mobile also. Okay, now this is the prompt. So what we can do, we can copy this whole prompt till here, part 1. It's a slightly bigger prompt. Just copy this and you can just paste this here. Come to the chat gpt or any other AI tool whichever you are using, you can just directly paste that here. If you are using Claude, then you can put it on the Claude. I will suggest to use the better model, or select the better model of the chat gpt or the Cloud, whichever you are using, because this is the complex prompt and it will take time. And just click on send. Now it will start creating that. It will review the file and it will create the HTML dashboard, and whatever will create, it has explained here everything. Then you can see. Okay, so it is asking what we want to create: faster and simpler version, work perfectly, and ultra clean production ready version. So we need ultra clean production ready version, right? So we can just copy and just put that here and just send. So it will start creating that. Every time when you put this prompt on the AI, it might return slightly different output, because AI always give the different output. However, if you use this prompt, you will get your desired result. But multiple times when the AI return the result, it might fail to provide proper charts or any other relevant information which you need, or some function might be missing. In that case, you can reprompt and you can type here and you can ask to recreate the file. It will create the file again and it will give you with that feature. Okay, so that all the things I have already mentioned here in the prompt file. What are the things can be happened when you start creating this one? In the last, you can see the common issues and the fixes, like chart is not rendering, filter is not working, dark mode is not toggling, or CSV export is not working, sidebar not collapsing. Okay, so these are the common issues, might not be working, but you have to reprompt and you can just mention, okay, this particular functions are not working, recreate the file. So ChatGPT or Claude or any other AI tool such as Gemini or whatever you are using will recreate that file and will give it to you back. It will take time to create because it's a long prompt and it will create the complete HTML file in the backend. Okay, so it has created that dashboard. I can simply open it, just click on this download file and we can see the preview also here. And let's open this. So this is the dashboard created by AI and we can see the result here. Okay, so that collapse and the expand bar is available here. All the pages which we want to create are available. All the charts are working fine. We can see that here. Revenue analysis, it is working, and we can see this also. On the top we have the filter. If I apply the filter, it is not directly changing like this one was changing, but they have given one apply filter button. So just apply the filter, then it is working. Okay, we can see, let's check the calendar also. Yes, calendar is also being opened, so you can select the date range. You can reset the filter from here. Let's see the dark mode. If I click, the dark mode is working and it has changed to the light mode now. So that is working, and the sidebar is also working, but it hasn't given any option to upload the Excel file and to download the CSV. So we can just reprompt here and we can say, come down and just say add a button to upload the data from Excel file and one download as CSV file, and just send. So that is how you have to reprompt. You have to mention what are the things are missing, so it will recreate those things and will share the updated HTML file. in that file that feature will be available. So it takes time to create like that, and now it is saying download the updated dashboard. So it has done. Now let me open this and just run it. So let us see where it is available. Okay, so that is available in the data view. When we come to the data view, then you can see the export CSV is available here, and that data is exported in the CSV. You can see this, and you can just click on choose file and you can select that Excel file. Then the data will be loaded and whole dashboard will be changed accordingly. Okay, so it has added to the data view, but if you need it on the top pane, then you can mention just move these buttons to the top section. You can just reprompt and it will give you the updated one. All right, friends. So friends, that is how you can create this sales and revenue dashboard. In the similar way, you can create the other dashboards also. To the AI, you should provide a good prompt so that it will return a good output. Okay, if you need a ready to use dashboard, you can visit our website nextgen template, wherein we have created so many templates, and you can see here we have created so many HTML as well as Excel, Power BI, Google Sheet, and they are ready to use. We have taken everything is there, and you can just get it on the discounted rate. Alright, friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the regular update of my videos. Thank you so much for the watching.